Hey guys, welcome back. Today on Patriot Contraptions, I'm checking out the Chicago Electric oscillating tool from Harbor Freight.
Kicking off this review, this is the variable speed Harbor Freight oscillating tool, so that means that you get a variable speed with it, between 10,000 and 20,000 oscillations per minute. Now, in addition to that, you get 3 attachments. You get a scraper attachment, you get a sanding attachment, and you get a saw attachment. Now, when you add up the value of all 3 attachments and that variable speed, it's actually cheaper to get this oscillating tool than it is to get its lower priced counterpart. So let's get into how each one of those attachments works. First off, the scraper attachment. I didn't really have a chance to really test out the scraper attachment except on some old dry paint, but it did seem to work. I've seen other guys use it on like removing caulk where they say it's fantastic for that and tile. I don't know, I haven't really been able to try it on that. That being said, what I do know is the sanding attachment works phenomenally. You get 2 little pieces of sandpaper with this oscillating tool that are then velcroed to the pad. And I use this for getting to all those weird little spots that you can't really get to with a regular sander. Next up, you have the saw attachment for the oscillating tool. And I've got to say, this is one of the coolest attachments I have seen for a tool. It literally allows you to go straight into the side of a piece of wood and cut out, as you can see, notches from it or whatever you need to do. So that's really, really handy right there, and I have to say it works great. Now there's one other thing I need to cover, which is the brushes that come with the oscillating tool. I was curious to find out how hard is it to actually change the brushes on this oscillating tool. So I took it apart, and as it turns out, it's pretty simple. Take out 3 screws, pull up the top, and then reach in, pull out the brush, put a new brush in, and you're good to go. So those brushes coming with it are handy and indeed easy to install. There is one other differentiation between this and other oscillating tools. As you can tell, the front attachments are held on by an Allen key as opposed to a quick detach mechanism. So that's one minor downside, but overall, let's get to my final comments.
This thing is completely boss. Let's face it, you get the 3 blades, the tool, and the adjustable capability for a lower price overall than you do for their other tool that's actually priced cheaper than this one. So I'd say that's a 5 out of 5 right there. Add to that you get bonus brushes and that all the attachments seem to work pretty good for what they're made for, and I'd say this is definitely a 5 out of 5 in my book. There you have it. Thanks for watching. Hope you have a fantastic day. Be sure to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next episode. Patriot Contraptions, signing out.